Hi there. Hello. Good morning, everybody. Some parts of the world is early morning. Some parts is middle of the day, like myself. Some parts are later on in the evening. So I welcome you all to another beautiful, beautiful New York session here today. Gold, man, gold destroyed a lot of gold buyers over here earlier on. I mean, guys who were in buys on gold, I mean, everything was bearish. 4 hour was bearish. We were coming down. Filled this wick over here. Sent this analysis later on. So I mean, let's see what happens in the New York session here today. I keep losing money while watching your stream, but I love watching your stream. Nice. I think that's love right there. I appreciate it. Even in hard times, you're still here. All right. Pound yen 30-minute chart. Okay, so we're looking at price to move up, partial TP out of this consolidation. All right, so let's just do some fresh analysis here. Let's just do fresh analysis. So these were zones sent for the, oh wow, okay, so we never really broke above 151, 450, 460 at all. We never really broke below 151, 200. So we're still in this consolidation area here. First TP target is still 151, 740, 750. So we're gonna wait and see. My AC is running? Yeah, it's running. We're still gonna wait and see if it's gonna, like, you know, break above or break below. 4 hour time frame is just consolidating over here. So a lot of waiting here now on pound yen, right? So perfect. That's what trading is, waiting. All right, let's take a look at gold here. Gold. So we did move down. We did come down to a low end side. So let's remove all analysis. We have a support being created. This is the same support that was created on the 25th August around, like, you know, after NYSE open. We have now on the 15-minute, 30-minute time frame, we're creating some sort of a, it's entering some sort of a consolidation rejection area here, right? So on the 1 hour time frame, yeah, it's just consolidating here on the 1 hour time frame. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. But most importantly, one thing that's much more clear is that we have a solid support at 1784, 1783.50, right? And if we break below these areas, not only we have this wick to fill, which is like, you know, 18 pips away, and then we have this entire clean candle going all the way down towards 1778, 1779, you know, which is like 50 pips away over here. So this is going to be a much better target to reach for on gold if we do continue breaking down. Looking on the 4 hour time frame, we had a huge rejection on the 25th August yesterday around NYSE. Huge rejection, and now we came down to fill this wick over here again. So now if price are going to continue down, we need to see if it's going to break this low. So if you look on the 4 hour time frame, this looks very clean, right? If we break the low, and then we can continue on down towards 1778. So we'll have to wait at this point and see what happens. I think any buys on gold is going to be very choppy. I'm not going to say choppy, but I think we'll need a lot of volume to continue pushing price up for buys, you know, at least till. I mean, it's very choppy, so you can see sells are much more cleaner. What's this? 30 pip range? Yeah, we're probably going to stay away from this range here. Alright, we got some analysis coming in for buys. So this is 4 hour candles breaking a previous 4 hour high as well. Possible buy stop to fill this range. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how well this plays out. So that's also going to be the break of the 4 hour high. We'll see. So this is going to be a no trade range here so far for me. No trade range right here. A lot of consolidation here, man, this week over here. And this is also going to be a completely no trade range. No trade range right here. Oh. What's going on over here? All right. Hey, it's my birthday. Let's crush your markets. Today, Miko Sade, happy birthday. I'm on my way to class. I'll watch the stream later, have a good stream, and make some cash. Hopefully, we make some cash here today. Hey, Raja, blew my account today. Well, I guess you need to use some risk management over here. I mean, you know, you can't just say that you blew your account. There was a very good post here I posted here today, and yeah, let's see here. Yeah, this one right here.
Here I am, here
This is so hilarious.
How are you today, sir? Very well, I say, sir. Run away, run
Man,
away.
I laughed when I first saw that. I laughed so hard. I was like, "Whoa, that is so true." You don't secure profits, the market just gives a fuck you. The market's like, "Yo, you're not happy with the money? All right, let me take away then." GT has a beautiful range. It needs to break after that. Nice sells, buys are possible. Yeah, that's true. If we can break above, I mean, I think we'll need to see for price to break above and close above. Look, because around London Open we had the price break above this area, break above, and it didn't close above. It closed below. So we'll need to see price to kind of like close above this area for it to continue bullish. Do you stick with NY session in the future or still looking at daily? What suits you best? I think I'm going to stick with NY session. I've practiced London session and it's just dog shit here for me. I just couldn't. I mean, very, very bad time in the London session. So I'm going to stick to the NY session. The market is too cold. That's true. I'm ready to go full margin today. Just waiting for you to say when. Well, Pedro and Tunes, I agree with that. Can you analyze US 30? Can we analyze US 30? All right, let's take a look over here. Let's take a look at US 30. Do you use trend lines? No. No, sir. All right, let's take a look on the daily time frame. Daily seems like we may be continuing bullish, but there's a bit of a rejection here. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, 4 hours coming up over here too. That makes sense. We're making something like of a support. We have a resistance here, right? My imaginary friend, right? We got resistance, right? Our imaginary trader over there. Our imaginary 12-figure trader right here. The unicorn. All right. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, we have this resistance to fill. Now we got to measure this range. If you measure this range, this is like a 45-point range. I mean, it's not that good of a range. So, I mean, I'll just may want to wait for price to break above this area here. 34,470, right? Yeah. We'll need to break above this area for price to continue bullish. Because if we do continue bullish from this point, we then have a 120-point range over here, right here. 120, 124-point range here. Will Dominion Market speed up withdrawal overnight in the future updates? Withdrawals? Credit card and bank withdrawals, they do take around 4 to 5 business days. Sometimes it can take up to 10 business days. It's the same thing as when you do a credit card refund from, let's say, a store, and they say, well, it's going to take you 10 business days for the money to reach your account. It's kind of like the same thing. How many boxes of food did you give away today? I think we gave away around 92 boxes. There weren't enough people. We had around 100 boxes. Can you ask Rakeel to come say hi? Rakeel is probably making a webinar for the 5th of September here. Is there anyone hosting agent session? I don't see Mac recently now. Yeah, Mac is very inconsistent with that, so there's probably no one here so far to do that. Yeah, we're just consolidating over here. Today is going to be a character building day here because, I mean, we're just consolidating. Let's take a look at the Forex factory and see if we are anticipating some volume. Can you tell me a story about your first month of trading? Yes, I lost $200 account. That was my first month. Prelim GDP, I mean, we'll see if it's going to provide some sort of volume to the markets here. We'll see. Unemployment claims, they're looking at slightly better numbers. I mean, previous was 348,000. They're looking at 345,000, 3,000 difference. So I don't think it's going to be a big deal over here. But we do have, what's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Monday till Saturday. Let's take a look over here. We have NFP next week. We have NFP next week. Awesome. Awesome. Amazing, amazing week next week coming up. I'm planning to go ahead with FT Mon challenge. What's your advice? I mean, if you're consistent with a smaller account, man, for sure, go ahead. Go ahead. Thinking about going naked. What's the best moving average? If I do use only one, is it worth it? Well, you can't use a moving average if you're going to go naked. What's the funniest thing you had during the live? Too many to count. Way too many. Hey Raja, will you change the bio to host London NY stream later? Yes. I'm just too lazy to change a few things. I also have to change the artwork. I have like 4 artworks here waiting to be changed, but I'm just way too lazy. Alright. Yeah. Just consolidating over here. What's your favorite meal? Lately it has been, I'm not sure it's going to be a meal, but this has been my go-to drink here lately. But not today because I did shoulder workout and I don't want to consume too many calories today. So I'm drinking green tea right now. Do you use order blocks? No, I don't use order blocks. Order blocks, I never understood order blocks. I set out to learn about order blocks and I just couldn't understand order blocks. Be careful, make sure you're profitable. Be careful and make sure you're profitable. I've been with them the last 5 months. This month I'm down -5% and the pressure is excuse me. And the pressure is quite big as you have 10% max drawdown, so be ready for that. Wow. Alright, let's take a look at this UJ chart over here. UJ chart. USDJPY 30-minute time frame is coming down to a support. Zoom in over here. How do you zoom? Oh, yeah, let's zoom in over here. Oh. Coming down to a support. Close above next test and break retest. So for price to go up when our support. Yeah. I think since you're planning buys, you should also plan sells. You know. You should also look to see what's going to make it go down. 4 hour, we got the 1 hour right here. We got the 30-minute right here. Yeah, the 30-minute candle is about to close in 11 minutes. So we're basically, you know, breaking below this area, this support. And if you do stay below this area, it's like a, yeah, it's like a 10 pip range here. I mean, yeah, USDJPY doesn't really have that big of a range for price to really move, you know. So if you look on the 30-minute time frame, and if you look to the left-hand side, so look, we're going to draw this zone based on current price action right here around 110, 190, 110, 200. And looking to the left-hand side, the first area of consolidation we see is at 110, 300, which is like, what, 11 pips away? Not even 11 pips away. 11 pips if we're pushing it. Yeah, 11, 12 pips away. You know, so very, very low volume, you know, not enough ranges over here. So, I mean, if you want to get into like 10 to 8 pip, kind of like a trade, I think that would be it. But I'd rather wait for this 30-minute candle to close to see if we do close below this area here or not for sells. Right here. Can magic keys be ordered custom design? I'm not sure. We're trying to get a gold-plated magic keys, so we'll see. Yeah, the gold-plated magic keys. That's going to be a prize for the leaderboard account, for the leaderboard on Dominion Markets. We're starting a challenge in September. So you'll have to create a new account on Dominion Markets leaderboard. The top prize is going to be a trading computer. I think yeah, it's just going to be a gaming computer. That's going to be the top prize. Second prize is going to be a 4K monitor. Third prize is going to be a gold-plated magic keys. Yeah, gold-plated magic keys. That's going to be the third prize. I'm not sure whether to put the gold-plated magic keys as the second prize or the third prize. We'll see. What do you press to extend the rectangle? Well, it's very easy, right? Oh, wow. Okay, gold is breaking up over here. Gold is trying to break up. We got 9 minutes left for the 1 hour candle to close. 1 hour candle has broken above the highs. 30-minute candle. Now, this is going to be a very tricky area here, right? Look, we have these rejections here. So this means price came up above this area before and rejected, went down. Same thing happened over here, same thing happened over here, and same thing can happen over here. Even if this candle breaks the high of this previous candle, which it did, and you can say, oh yeah, it's going to go up, but we've had rejections in this entire area, right? So that's why it's important to wait for this candle to close, you know. Or if, like, you know, magically, if we can break above this wick, then I think we can continue moving bullish as well. But now when we measure the range for us to move up above this wick, this range is like a very choppy range to the left hand side, 18 pip range, but very, very choppy, very, very choppy. So yeah, we'll see. But gaming PC is expensive. Well, I mean, don't complain about the price, man. Whether it's expensive or cheap, price is a prize. you, you you don't want it? Well, that's okay. We'll just give it to someone else. What's the most pip you've made during a live? I think we had once 100 pip move. Does the challenge start September? Yes, the challenge starts September. How's your bot investment account or the leaderboard? It's up in profits. I deposited around 500. It's running at about 580. Gold-plated magic keys is the first prize. Oh no, gold-plated magic keys. I think it's going to be the second or the third prize. But that account has been running for about almost a month now, you know. So it's there. Bot account. Yeah, there's a bot running over there. Alright, we got 7 minutes left. Ooh, we're about to break above 1788 on gold. About to break above 1788 on gold. We have clean candles there. 4-hour time frame also about to break above the high. If you do break above the high, can we continue up till 20 pip range here? 20, 22 pip range? Pretty tough. Very tough. Tough call. Tough call since the candles are about to close. Are you expecting big news at 8:30? Yes, we'll see. We shall see. And I did not build that bot. It's just an account on the leaderboard. Does the challenge take into account the percentage gains? Yes. Yes, it's percentage gains. You have to take, I'd say, at least 3 trades a week. It has to be consistent gains. It just can't be just one trade and you go up. No, it can't be that. It has to be consistent gains over time. Let's take a look at here. My plane on gold. Buy if you close above the trend and retest. Right here for price to move up. Target 1792. Yeah, looks good. We're trying to break above these rejection areas to the left hand side. So yeah, it makes sense. Look, we've broken above that area here as well. Oh wow, there we go. Broken above 1788. Yeah, 1790, 1791, and if there's more momentum, probably 1792 over here. Very easily achievable, but let's not forget we have a bit of a rejection at 1790 here first. Chris Taylor is yelling at us. What's the best way to draw resistance lines? Because I missed a trade. That was my line. Was slightly below, which meant the candle closed. The best way to draw support resistances is to, you know, like, look, this is a resistance here, you know, and you got to read price action too. Like sometimes, you know, like support resistance is never going to be accurate. It's never going to be to the T, you know, it's always going to be a little bit up or down. So you have to understand price action, and then you got to see that, okay, how can you execute based on that? Is it safe to deposit 50K for an Indian in IC markets? What's wrong with people with India? Why do we get all these dumbass questions from? I mean, it's just, man, come on. You know, IC markets has nothing against you. You know, so you can just deposit 50,000, 500,000, 100,000, $50. Just do it. You know, they have nothing against you. Why didn't you take a buy on the previous support double bottom? Because I wasn't looking at the charts. Anyone trading from the moon? Ooh, I don't know. We're about to close in about 4 minutes over here. Wow, USDJPY is really coming down here. So since USDJPY is coming down, that's the reason gold is moving up here. We got 3 minutes left. Pound yen is also moving down. Gotta wait for pound yen to break below 150. I'd say 150, 150. So yeah, I think it's gonna be a pretty good range here. It's like a 22 pip range below 150, 150. Yeah. Potential sells below 150, 150. There we go. Where is the lady Michelle who has special sauce? She is profitable. I have no idea who that is. Are you in gold buys? No, I am in no trades. Nothing. No trades. No trades at all. Take a look at this. Get a $5 million credit here from the banks. Straight from the banks. 5 million. Can't use it, but this is only for, like, you know, when things go bad, then it's like a line of credit we get. It was $1 million, now it's 5 million. Soon it can be 10 million. We hope, we see if we grow. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Can you show a trading plan in written? If written, please. No, I don't have a written trading plan per se. I used to have a written trading plan, but now it's just all the way up over here. It's very easy, just 1 to 2 trades a day. Waiting for a candle to close above this area. Let's say for pound yen, right? Waiting for a candle to close below 150, 150, and then take a sell for price to go down. That's my plan. You know, so every morning when you're coming on, you're creating a plan and you're planning out where are you going to execute a trade, how are you going to execute it, where your target is going to be, what your stop is going to be, what's your actually risk for that day. Like a lot of people, when they trade, they don't define what's their risk. They don't even define their stop loss. You know, some people just take trades for the fuck of it. You know, you don't know where your stops are. You don't know how much you're risking. You're just taking a trade. Can you put the credit into trading account? Yes, but the golden rule of trading is never trade with credit. That's the golden rule of trading. Never use credit to trade. Never. How do you deal with emotions? I don't put emotions in trading. What was the starting capital as you became profitable? I say around like 6,500. 6,000, 6,500. So we got a minute left for the candle to close. Pound yen is also closing. USD yen, oh wow, look at that retracement over here. Is it 150, 150 or 151, 150? Oh, it's 151, 150. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for that. What's your trading leaderboard account again? It's called C'est La Vie. What's your aha moment? My aha moment in trading was wicks don't lie. That was my aha moment. And clean candles, right? So yeah, we'll see. I always have problem with taking position. My analysis are okay, but when support resistance is broken, I cannot decide to enter. Can you suggest me? Yes, just enter. Just execute. Just execute. If you don't execute, you're never gonna know the outcome. So you have to execute. How many years it took you to be profitable? I said like a year, comfortably a year. Is a September challenge for all accounts or only for MAM socials? It's only for social accounts. That's a September challenge. Oh, so here we have the candle closing. We have the 1 hour candle closing bullish. So obviously now we would want this 1 hour candle to make a wick to the downside before moving up. If you need help with custodial stuff with your brand, Instagram stuff that you don't have time for, please let me know. My background is in IT and project management. Okay, Carlito, I'll definitely let you know. 100%. All right, look at this. Pound yen is coming down over here as well. Now, there are two things that can happen with pound yen. Either we can break below 151, 150 and continue moving down. In that case, I'm not going to be looking to enter a trade. Or we can break and close below 151, 150, and then we can take a trade for price to continue down. Why is it not good to trade your credit? Because trading credit is like borrowing money with the promise that you're going to pay it back. If you take out credit and if you lose the money, now not only you've lost the money, but you've lost the money someone else gave you. So now you have double pressure to pay it back. That's why it's not a good idea to take out credit to trade, especially for a grown up. For kids, kids don't understand credit. They can take out credit, trade, whatever. They don't understand it. I mean, what can you do, right? But the golden rule is to not take out credit to trade. Trade with the money you have. It's the same thing as when people buy stuff with credit when they don't have the money because they can just pay back monthly, right? Never buy stuff you don't have the money for. That's another golden rule. Gold buys or GJ sells. GJ sells. GJ sells will be much better because we have cleaner candles. Gold buys will be a little messy because it's just not looking good over here. It's just, I don't know. I just don't like it. I like gold above 1792, 1793 because we have cleaner candles here. But pound yen, we'll see. Would you consider buys at the break of the resistance at 141, 448? 151, yes, that's true. Which button mostly used on magic keys? Close half. Close half is mostly used in magic keys. Does your pre-trading routine looks like yoga, meditation, or workout? No, it looks like a nap. Before I come to trade, I take like a 20-minute nap. I wake up, have an apple, have a banana, and then just come to trade. Yeah, no yoga, no meditation. Nah, meditation is not going to help you get out of drawdown, man. Trust me. You just have to execute. You have to execute. You have to take action. I don't do that yoga stuff. Sometimes I do yoga stuff, when my muscles get too big and I can't really move them around. So then I have to do yoga to kind of make them more flexible. All right. Back to pound yen over here. We're going to break below 151, 150 for it to continue bearish. If you had to focus on one pair, which pair would it be? It will be pound yen. That would be the pair I would focus on all day long. Pound yen. Ooh, gold is breaking the high over here. Yeah, I don't like it. If gold had cleaner candles to the left hand side, I would definitely take a buy. But right here, I just won't. I just don't like it at all. Obviously, above this, we have like a minor resistance here, and it's like a 16 pip range. I just no. I'll wait for pound yen. Do you use COT? No. Did you ever see yourself being this profitable in Forex? No. I think everything happened slowly. That's what it was. Everything happened slowly. I envisioned having a house in Canada, and then we got that house, and then I envisioned, I don't know. It was just a vision. And everything just happened very, very slowly. Slowly things start to happen, and I don't know. I think I'm pretty happy at this point. Got a good family, got a loving wife, got 2 kids. They go to school. Bills are okay. I have an awesome community. I've built the brand with everybody. So I think so far it's still pretty good. So far. But at any given time, all this can go away. So I always keep that in mind. All the time, I keep this one thing in mind. Everything I have, someone can take it away at any given time. So always staying humble, always just staying very, very modest. So that's the thing. Never forget about the downsides, because in life, like, you can have bullish swings sometimes. Now I'm going in a bullish swing, but then I tell my wife all the time that, hey, like, what, even though we're going in a bullish swing, at any given point there can be a bearish swing too. So we always got to be mentally, financially ready, and psychologically ready for that bearish swing. You always got to be ready for that. All right, let's take a look at this chart over here. Is your son always with you? Yes. He goes wherever I go. He sees whatever I see. So that, I don't know. I think he's ready for the world here. Let's take a look over here. Oh, it took buys over here. Price to move up. Was this even enough range? If price is coming up to this point, 1789. If you can put your stops to break even, if you can break above this area, then yeah, pretty good trade. But as you can see, we're coming up to a minor resistance here. What do you think about the range for GJ? Long time, so it will go down so far. The range is long. What? What do you think about GJ range for a long time, so it will go so far down as range for long? What the fuck is range for down, or yeah, I guess range for long, or I don't know. I mean, if you think it's going to go down, that's what I'm waiting for, to go down over here. And if it wants to go further down, then I guess right here would make sense. Yeah, but if you're talking about buys, then we need to break above this area here. By the way, what do you feel about homeschooling kids versus sending them to school? I don't know. It's just the same thing over here. It's like homeschooling is a first world problem. It's not a third world problem. In Pakistan, people aren't worried about homeschools. They're just worried about to get the kids to school so we can have some peace in the house. You know. So yeah, I don't know. Like, depends on how. Depends. Here, we send them to school. The schools here are tough, man. Like, my kid is 3. They're teaching them how to hold pencils, how to write their ABCs, 1, 2, 3s. They're teaching them addition, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4. And I'm like, damn, man, that's next level. Yeah, for like a little 3-year-old. Still, it's cool. How do you play stop loss and demand market the shortcut way, the way you do it? How do you place a stop loss? So here's what I used to use, right? So once you open your MetaTrader 5, right? You open your MetaTrader 5, you press Alt B, and you're going to have something called depth of market, right? This is depth of market. Once you press Alt B, you get your depth of market. Here you see your lot size. You can change it to, let's say, 0.01. Oh, well, 0.1. And stop loss, let's set it to like, 10. And if you want to take a sell, you take a sell, and you'll see your stop loss is going to be kept at 10 pips. Measure this. Yeah, 10 pips, right? And if you take a buy, you take a buy, and your stop loss is going to be set at 10 pips automatically. Depth of market. You press Alt plus B. Only in MT5. I'm not sure about MT4. I think it happens in MT4. If it doesn't happen in MT4, then you gotta get yourself some MT5. Get yourself some MT5 juice. मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि जितना बड़ा रेंज है उतना ज़्यादा मूव करेगा अगर रेंज ब्रेक होगा. Yes, that's correct. That is absolutely correct. Look, this was yesterday trade. I played the way I analyzed, but not in my trading hours. Let's take a look over here. Broke some rules. What's this? Minor risk buys above 158.20. Sells below. Better idea to buy after break of 159.50. Oh, nice. Yeah, this happened after the fact. I was watching this too. This didn't happen yesterday. While we were doing the streams, it happened later on. How do you get that pip counter? It's a part of Magic Keys. Let's see here. If you see your kids are mature, then you're going to look for homeschool. And if you see your kids are immature, you look for homeschool. I don't know. I think kids are way too young to really, for us to understand whether they're mature or immature. You know, it's just the fact that just like, treat them like humans and they become good humans. Like, here's the thing. Kids will always do what they see you doing. That's what they're going to always do. You tell them what to do, they're never going to listen to you. They're never going to do what you tell them to do. It's the same thing as grown-ups. When people tell us to do something, we don't like being told what to do. We see with our eyes. When we see something doing something, we do that exact same thing. So kids are the same way. They'll just copy what you do. My son, it is Thursday, and he asked me, "Are we going to feed people today?" I'm like, whoa, how'd you know? He's like, because it's Thursday. I'm like, oh, damn, okay. So he knows now on Thursday we feed people. I'm like, nice. So that's how it is. Like, show them what's normal and they'll consider that as normal. That's what I believe, How can you speak English so good? Well, thank you. How can you? Let's see here. I messed up forward for me. Okay. All right. Yeah. Pound yen is just consolidating. It looks like gold is moving up here towards 1790. Yeah, I really like gold above 1792, not over here. Not where it's at this point. I'm sure some people in buys over here in gold. It may work out for you, but I really want gold to break above 1793 for price to continue bullish. Let's take a look on the 4 hour. 4 hour also broke. But yeah, on the 4 hours only makes sense on the 4 hour. So we can ignore the smaller time frames and just focus on the 4 hour for it to continue up. Oh wow, look at that. Straight move coming up. That is the only time I see GJ paint so many white soldiers. Yes. I learned 70% of my English by playing games in English as a kid. Oh. Yeah, me too. I remember when we were young, we used to watch wrestling and Rock would say, "If you smell what the Rock is cooking." So we used to go to school and we say, "If you smell what I brought for lunch, French fries." If our mentor, sir, if our mentor, you are not doing liking, what? Sir, if our mentor, you are not doing liking trade London, so why should we trade London? I don't know. I just don't like trade London. If you like trade London, you can trade London. There's no rule. You don't have to trade London. All right. This is closed half. I bring stops to break even. Oh, amazing. Amazing. Now, if you closed half, you need to ask yourself, are you happy with securing those half, even if price comes down and stops you at a break even? That's what you gotta. Oh, we got Manak over here. Welcome, Manak. Manak and his best friend over here. Oh, I think it's his brother or something. Nice. Looks like they both are ready to attack the market. So you just trade for 2 sessions? Only in New York sessions so far. Most of the times. New York sessions so far. Alright, look at this. 15-minute candle is about to close. We're closing at 151, 150. Looking at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful range over here for price to move down. Look at this. 19, 20 pip range here. Raja Pakistan version wear t-shirt instead of t-shirt. Raja shirt. What? Raja version wear shirt instead of t-shirt. Raja Canadian version. Yeah, I really like wearing these clothes. They're very airy. They're very roomy. Does the end of the month have any effect on market? Means react different what we learned? Probably not. Market's still going to move the same way. Where's Kervin? Kervin is probably in his home right now. Alright, look at that. Look at that. Look at. Can you give your thoughts about risk management of small accounts? Small account risk management, big account risk management, the same thing. It's the exact same thing. Alright, look at this. Gold is coming up to a minor resistance here. Potential. Oh, amazing buys above 1793. Potential amazing buys above 1793. Are you looking to enter GJ as soon as it passes 151, 150? Yes. So if you look at this candle over here, 15-minute candle, it's rejecting this area. So we'll need price to break below this low for it to continue down. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. On the daily's down. 4 hour is also bearish. 4 hour candle has respected the high of the previous 4 hour candle. It's breaking the low of the previous 4 hour candle. So we needed to break below this area. Since this is a 4 hour consolidation, I think it's going to be better to wait for the higher time frame candle to break below this area. There is an order block on GJ. Yes. Okay. How many hours do you watch charts in weekend? Probably maybe an hour. For 1 hour. I'll go over some of the trades, I did and had, and then that's about it. I don't put too much effort on the weekends there. Only on losing trades, I go over the losing trades and to see what happens. Are you taking impulse entries on GJ? We'll see. We'll see. Ideally, I'd want to see the 30-minute candle close below this area, because since this is a 4-hour consolidation area, we can't rely on the 15-minute break, because 15-minute is a weak confirmation. So in this 4-hour consolidation, I'd want to see a 30-minute break to say that, okay, this is a stronger confirmation at this point. How does it feel to trade so many sessions at one time last time? Does it really take taxing? Yes, it's very frustrating, because you move from London to New York, you lose in London, you win in New York, overall you're straight in, drawdown, it's just horrible. So sticking to one session works all the time. Search for MK Forex in YouTube. This legendary Arab guy made a volume indicator that gives the real volume that put in the market makers and banks. You will thank me later. I just want to help. Alright, let's take a look at this over here. This is search for MK Forex. MK Forex in YouTube. This is it. MK Forex, 34 videos. Lord of the platform. Oh, all hail to the Lord of the platform. Looks like we're about to go to war over here, Arab style. Sovereignty System MK Forex. Kareem Abdul Wahab. All right. Looks like I'm watching Sinbad. You guys remember Sinbad? Prince of Persia. Sinbad. But there's no information here, man. I mean, if there was some information, it'd be cool to listen to it. There's no information. Everything is Arabic, man. Even I don't understand Arabic. Aruhan malaria hazahu mashallah al quwwata. Yeah, I don't even know. I can read Arabic. I just don't understand Arabic. Sorry. It comes out Uniphoto is the MK Forex is just a free promo. Oh, please check BTC chart on daily. It's bullish. This looks like a hostage video from the Middle East. No, man. It'd be nice. Sure, the answers to trade like the banks are going to be on a public platform like YouTube. That's true. If your trading system is scalping, have edge more. I can trade, see my edge faster. No. Listen, if you think you can see your edge faster by trading multiple sessions, be my guest. I'm not going to argue on that. But for me, what works is New York session, and I focus on New York session, and that's about it. Mr. Dhananjay Yadav donated 40 Indian rupees. Love from India, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Love from Pakistan and Canada. If this 15-minute candle closes back above previous 15-minute, I think it could be a good entry for a fake out. Play back up the roof of the range. Oh, on pound yen. Yeah, I don't know. I'd rather see a break above 151, 480 for pound yen to continue bullish. 151, 480. Yeah, that would make much more sense. I'd rather wait for that. Check out Wali Baba FX, Pakistani swing trader with 500 people live on YouTube. Wali Baba FX. Let's take a look over here. Alright, gold is coming up to this minor resistance zone. Looks like this stream is going to be a YouTube checking stream. Wali Baba FX. Oh, Wali Baba FX. He's an older guy over here. Alright.
His duty to cherish the aspirations.
No voice, no sound, no sound. आवाज नहीं, sir, आवाज, no sound. Oh. Wali Baba FX. Get free $140 to your account and start trading a level up bonus. This says अपने account में मुफ्त 140 हासिल करें और trading शुरू करें. Man, at least show if it's a real account or it's a... Oh, yeah, we don't even know if it's a real account or a demo account. At least show that. I mean, at least put $1,400 in a real account and show that. You know. Oh, he's in a buy here on GU. Okay. Interesting. Wali Baba is... have you ever been to Atak? No, I have not been there. Alright, pound yen is still consolidating. USD/JPY is coming down over here. I found you through randomly watching Wali Baba. Oh. Sir, can we trade London session? I'm confused because our mentor, you don't like it. I am no one's mentor. It depends if the London session falls within the time you're free to trade. You know, if you don't have time, then don't. Hello, sir. I have COVID, but I'm trading Forex with you. Oh, nice. Very nice. Beautiful. Does anyone see the high potential sells on GJ, especially when we look at the 4-hour time frame? Yeah, we need to break above, 151, 150 to even talk about sells. All right, let's take a look at it. I'm not sure if this will show my chart. Yeah, this doesn't show your chart. If you want to send your charts, click on this camera button and copy link to the chart image. And yeah, that's it. What's a better investment? Buying a house in Canada or buying a house in Pakistan? It depends where you live. If you live in Pakistan, if you have the means to invest in Pakistan, buying a house in Pakistan, cash is a much better investment there. Because you buy it cash and it goes up. Buying a house in Canada, you're probably gonna have a mortgage, and once you sell it, you're gonna have to pay taxes on the return you're gonna get on the house. Like, man, Canada just taxes a lot. So depends what your goals are, what you want to do. All right, let's take a look at this. This chart is sent by SBM. We are looking at gold 1-hour chart. This is the resistance area, so the wick before it shall what? So the wick before it shall I consider it as a wick fill or another form of resistance? Which wick? You need to point that out. But break above 1792 would make much more sense for price to continue bullish. That's where I see at least. For price to continue on. Break above 1792. I don't see that wick though. No sir, no sir. 1793. Let's take a look here. 1793. Oh, yeah, no, because we have clean candles here. Yes. Oh, this wick over here. Yeah. Break above 1793 would be better for price to continue up. Break above 1793. What amount do we need to trade 0.5 lots? I know there's a calculator for this. I just want your opinion. I think safely to trade 0.5 lots, $2,000, because like 0.5 lots. It's not about trading 0.5 lots. It's about how much you can lose. You know, it's about how much you can lose. So if you're a 10 pip stop, then 0.5 is like, you know, the 50 bucks. Oh, Wali Baba has a buy on GU. Looks pretty good. You know, buy looks good on GU. The 4-hour candle's coming up. You got the, let's take a look at the daily. Daily is bullish. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, 1 hour is breaking out this consolidation. 30-minute is also in this consolidation. Yeah, we'll see. Thank you, sir, for the answer. You're welcome. Sir, you are my mentor, okay? I have not seen any transparent trader like you, but why you prefer New York over London? Man, I don't know if you can understand English or what language do you understand, but I just like trading New York session because that's what I've been trading for the past 4 years, 5 years. It's better not to leave a runner in the beginning of a trading to secure as much as possible. Do you have advice on a runner? I think the best thing is to just secure as much as you can before you leave a runner, right? Because a lot of people, like, you know, when you don't secure, you put stops at break even and you get stopped out at break even, you kind of get sad about that, right? So just secure as much as you can and then leave a runner. I go to Wali Baba only to tease him. He's a pure and he's all the respect. Besides, fun to watch him. Alright, let's see what's going on over here.
लेकिन किसी को समझ नहीं लगती ये कौन
Subscribe.
सिग्नल मांग रहा है
You know what he said? He's like, who's asking for a signal? Oh, only subscribers can chat. Oh, there we go. Hello. All right. Let's take a look at this chart over here. we got two scenarios: downtrend and continuation. Okay. Gold, 1 hour chart. Correction of downtrend with bullish movement. Yeah, above 1793. 100% makes sense. 100% above 1793 makes sense. Those are the buys I'm personally going to look at there as well.
सिग्नल सर्विस चाहिए आपको
You want signal service? That's what he said.
तो सबसे पहले तो
First of all,
सिग्नल सर्विस की जो फीस है ना वो $5,000 $5,000
oh, the fees is $5,000.
ये आपके पास है पहले सोचना अगर मुझे सर्विस लेनी है ना सिग्नल सर्विस
Yeah, do you have 5,000?
तो ये इसकी फीस है मंथली
That's monthly. Holy shit.
बल्कि वीकली है ये
Weekly. Oh,
कम से
oh.
कम आपका अकाउंट जो है ना वो 100K का होना चाहिए
He's joking now. 100K account.
सिग्नल मशीन
Raja, you definitely gotta troll this guy, dude. You gotta troll him for sure.
No. This is so funny. Wali Baba
Drop a
effects.
message.
You know, if he's in Pakistan, I'm probably going to go meet him.
He's
Trading.
gonna shoot to fame today.
Yeah. I lost a trade yesterday. Can you take a look at the chart? Let's take a look over here. All right, so took a buy here. 1 hour broke. Okay, right here, broke resistance. Saw small return. I lost the trade. Any advice? Bilal Raja. So first thing you need to do is, which I say all the time. All the time I say this. I'm never going to get tired of it, right? The first thing you need to do is, if you took a loss, right? You had a losing trade. You took a loss. Do some analysis, right? And just like how you put some text over here, do some analysis and put a text on why do you think you lost and what could you have done differently to not take this losing trade, and then post that chart again, and then we're going to take a look at that chart, and then we're going to give you some sound advice. But that's what you got to do at this point. You got to look at that and you got to see how you could have not taken that loss. Yes, sir. So yeah, pound yen is still consolidating over here. It's my first time here from Nigeria. Welcome, welcome. Imagine this is people's first time here on the stream over here. And we look at Wali Baba.
पीछे भागते हो यार मेहनत नहीं करनी है आपने, हाँ नहीं चलाना।
He's like, you guys don't have to work. Just asking for signals. Um, on-screen magic keys for one device only. Yes. Let's see here. When you don't have guests for Fridays like you used to, please profile interview one of the people in the Zoom so we can hear their story, their growth. Well, if someone wants to come on the mic and talk about their story and growth, I think that's going to be pretty cool. All right, Kyle. We have Kylie over here. Oh, come on tomorrow. Oh, okay. Yeah, tomorrow's Friday. I got excited. I'm like, oh, we haven't done today. Can you get your best student on? The guy you talked about yesterday? Yes. Let's see here. His name is John Malik. Yeah, I'll see if it's free. He's probably in Calgary right now. They're doing some car meetups over there. Hey, why do you wait for the candle to wick in the opposite direction before entering a trade? Could you please explain this? Yes, because sometimes, like, when you have candles moving, like, candles make bottom wicks and top wicks. That's very, very normal. So if you're looking for, let's say, for example, that you had a candle that was bearish like this, right? You had a candle that was bearish like this, and you were going to take a sell. It would be much better for the next candle to wick up first and then continue moving down. The probability for the candle to look like this is way higher than the candle to just look like this without having a top wick. So the probability is much higher that way. So that's why I wait for the candle to wick up first. All right, let's see what's going on over here now.
तो मेहनत नहीं करनी है कि हर चीज़ आपके साथ.
Oh, nice. He's up $26. FBS broker. Oh, he's in FBS Pakistan. Oh, interesting. Does he have an Instagram account? You can hear a motorcycle in the background. No, there's no internet account. Ooh, 323 likes. There we go, 324. All right, still consolidating. Let's take a look at this chart. All right. Oh, USD CAD. This is some fucked up things happening over here on daily time. Bearish move, bearish, very full. Important news today. Wait with the sell stop. Yeah, I think this is going to make sense because if USD CAD, we're respecting this area, the only way we're going to break below this area is just going to be if this candle really starts to break below to continue down. You're doing an outstanding job with these live streams. We all learn from you. Much appreciated. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. I need an advice. I want to start a mowing business on my own, but I don't have to pick what? But I don't have a pick to work with. What do you mean? So I don't know if I should buy me a new one or if crossing my fingers with a used pickup. Oh, a pickup. Yeah, get like a used pickup. Yeah, get a used pickup, and that's awesome. That's awesome. Get a used one. Don't need to buy a new one. Buy a new one once you really start making money from the mowing business. Because a new pickup is just going to be dead. An old one is going to be whatever. It's going to get you from A to B, and it's going to get the job done too. All right. Let's see over here. Yeah, we're just consolidating over here. Just consolidating. Pound yen is coming down. Let's take a look at this chart over here. This is, oh, executed sells as the candle breaks the previous low. Yeah, no, no, had to wait for the candle to close. Had to wait for the candle to close. Because look, we rejected over here. We rejected over here. So we needed a candle to close below this area. And then you can tell yourself, oh, well, okay, if my candle closed below this area and all these candles rejected this area, now there's a higher probability for price to continue down, right? So you got to ask yourself probabilities, right? If this candle is breaking the low, which you mentioned here, you got to ask yourself, that'll happen to my AC. You got to ask yourself, what's the probability it's going to continue moving down? You know, so you have to wait for the candle to close. Never be afraid to miss a trade. I think this is when people get afraid to miss the trade. If you miss a trade, whatever, you know, it's gonna happen again. You know, just be okay to miss the trade. Yeah, just be okay to miss the trade. So can you talk more about the challenge on the leaderboard account? Yes, so let me talk about that challenge over here on for the leaderboard account over here. So what we're doing is with Dominion Markets leaderboard account, we're doing challenges. So first of all, so I'm just going to log into my backend over here and I'm going to show you what we're doing. Price is consolidating over here. I mean, there's nothing happening, so I think this is the perfect time to show you guys this. Okay, so once you log in, right, you're gonna see something which is gonna say PAM, right? You go to PAM, you go into PAM. It's gonna open up the PAM section. Once the PAM section opens, you're going to be given options to open a investment account, and you're going to have an option to open a master account. So once you open a master account, it has to be a social account, right? And then you click on leaderboard. Once you go to leaderboard, this is where we see the leaderboard right here. So this is the leaderboard, right? So once you open your master account, it has to be a social account type. You can start in September, and this is where you're going to see returns, right? So look at this. This one is like 57%. This is a total drawdown. This means, like, let's say on Monday the guy had 2% drawdown. On Tuesday, if he had 1% drawdown, so total is going to be 3%. This is not like in one trade it was a 50%. No, it's just added. So that's how it's going to work. So from September, so from September, the highest rate of return and with the lowest drawdown, that's going to be the first prize. First prize is going to be a gaming computer or a trading computer, whatever it's going to be. I think it's going to be a gaming computer or a laptop. Second prize is going to be a 4K monitor or a gold-plated Magic Keys, and the third prize is going to be a, gold-plated Magic Keys or something. We're deciding at this point. So this is going to start in September. So all accounts are going to start from September. So we're going to go to socials, and we're going to do return by less than 10%, or we can do like drawdown. We can do like age and stuff like that. So by the end of September, we'll do less than 30 days, and then we'll see who had the biggest rate of return and who actually was the winner at that time. So this account is running really, really good. Look, last 67 days, 86% gain, 12% drawdown. Let's take a look at these stats over here. Their fees are 50%. Holy shit. Yeah, too expensive. Damn, 50%. What is the time frame you use mostly? It's the 30%. It's a 30-minute time frame. I mostly look at the 4-hour moves. And I execute on 30-minute and 15-minute. Would you consider sell if we broke below 1787, since there are two clean candles all the way down to 1784? 1787? No. A better sell is going to be below 1783. Yeah, 1783 for price to continue down. Have to be a little bit disciplined here to look for sells below 1783. I'm not a fan of being funded. Other people's money is being regulated. Yes. Let's see here. Roger, anyone in chat, please educate me. What's the difference between New York and London session? Oh, wow. Big difference. Big difference. All right, let's take a look at this over here. Round 2. This candle broke and closed above 1 hour resistance. Okay, so this candle closed above this resistance. This candle retraced a bit and broke the previous high. That's when I entered. Clean candle left inside. Okay, awesome. The only thing I can think of is there was not enough volume for the price to keep moving in my direction. Other than that, I can't come up with a reason for the loss. Okay, so here's the thing. Once this candle closed like a weak bearish candle, that was your clue to just close out the trade. That was your clue to close out the trade, because we closed a weak bearish candle, which means the bullish momentum is dying at that point. And the next one happened like this, really dying. And next one was whatever, and then we start to consolidate. You know, so when you saw a weak bearish candle, that means the momentum is dying. So yeah, that's about it. So if you look on the 1 hour time, yeah, that's all I can probably look at that. Yeah, low volume. It was also 1 p.m. Eastern. Why the hell were you trading at 1 p.m. Eastern, man? Bro, like, no. Why? 1 p.m. 1 p.m. No. Is it true Dominion Markets has low spreads? I don't know. Let's check it out. So the spreads on Dominion Markets is 1.3. Gold is 2.2 right now. This is less than a pip. Yeah, I think it's okay. Pretty okay. How do you control yourself to wait? I have a stupid habit of being impatient and entering when I see a large wick that I expect to go in my direction. I just want to promote good trading habits, you know. That's why I just wait, so that people like, you know, they know the importance of waiting. Potential buys above 151, potential sells below this area. Looks good. Oh wow, we got a nice question over here. Hey Raja, I turned 18 and I obviously want a bigger capital. I can now legally get better paying jobs in the Netherlands, but I'm also a part student. I had a discussion with my mother where I said going to get a job and get paid $5 an hour because trading already pays me double that on average. Oh, should I take a step back from trading and get an actual job or continue trading and studying? I'm consistently profitable trader. Oh wow, okay. Damn. Yeah, if you're making money from trading, I think get that part-time job. You know, get that part-time job, because I think a part-time job is gonna regulate your trading better, right? You know, it's gonna bring in some sort of a discipline, because when you go to a part-time job, a job is not like, oh, it's a job. No, it's discipline in your life. It's like a routine, you know. So you're gonna get used to that routine of a job, and in the positive scenario, you're gonna get in routine with trading time as well. You know, that's why it's really important to work a job at the same time when you're trading. You know, so your mind will be much more clear. You'll know exactly the hours you need to work at your job, and then you'll know exactly what time to trade at the same time. So I think it's gonna be a blessing in disguise, you know, I think. So I'd say just go for it, man. I'm bound by my job. I don't see myself over trading anymore. I'm just stuck to New York session because that's the only time I have left. Yeah, man, that's awesome. That's what I did too. Hey, Monder, how you doing, bro? I'm doing great. Let's take a look at this over here. GU, bearish market structure, looking for sells. I don't know about bearish market structure, bro. Wali Baba is in buys over here, so you gotta be careful. Oh, he's talking about gold coming down.
टेस्ट फॉर बेरिश ट्रेंड हो रहा है. बस ऐसे ही है, फंसा हुई है काम.
He said, "Oh, it is how it is. It's just the gold is just stuck, you know." Pasa hua hai kaam. God damn. All right, back to monitor over here. Sorry, bearish market structure, price rejecting. Yeah, makes sense for sells below this area. I think the the same area is for pound yen over here too. That was hilarious. Random question. I like your background music playlist. Possible to share this? Yeah. So all I do is I go to YouTube audio library, right? I go to YouTube audio library. I open this, and then from no, this is not it. It comes up on on Chrome. YouTube audio library. Pre-lending session always have to be patient or wait for the candle to close above. I just after enter a trade, it always goes against me. I guess NY session is the best. For me, NY session works the best. So far, we're just consolidating over here. I watched one of his stream. He is a guppy admi, very funny. Yes, he is actually very hilarious. Let's see what he's saying. He's actually very hilarious. I'm actually enjoying this live stream. Now he just looks angry or something. He's just watching price. I wonder how much is the spread on this FBS broker. Oh wow, this is pretty high for Euro USD. Look at this. 770 minus 778. That's almost 1 pip. Damn, Euro USD.
स्कैल्पिंग तो हमने की नहीं.
He's saying we haven't done scalping. Let's see if he responds to me.
स्कैल्पिंग तो हमसे भूली भी है.
Oh, we forgot scalping. All right. Yeah, pound yen is just stuck over here.
आना दें जी इसको नीचे.
Let him come down. He's saying let it come down. Let gold come down. Oh, he's looking at sells over here. All right, looking for sells on gold. Aane dein ji isko niche. Let's see. Where is he trying to sell gold? Yeah, it makes sense, you know. If this 15-minute candle is going to close. Oh, wow. It's not coming down at all. It's time to go up over here. 1790. Oh, he looks angry at somebody.
आने दो जी इसको नीचे. इसका भी कुछ करते हैं.
He's saying, let gold come down. We'll do something about gold. Just wait. What's your last trade yesterday? I think it was a sell. Sell on... yeah, it was a sell on gold yesterday. What? Oh, he opened a sell limit on gold.
Buy limit लगा दी है.
Oh, buy limit. He's looking at buy. He's like, oh, the trade has left our fingers. He's like, the entry was amazing. He's saying the trade has left our fingers. Can we take a buy above 1790? Let's see here. He's like, every time we are late on the trade. All right. 1790.50. Because look, this candle is going to close. We have the 30-minute candle, which is also going to close in about 10 minutes. It makes sense above 1790.50. 1790.50. Pound yen just stuck, whatever. You know. Also, we got news coming in, so might as well want to wait for the news. All right. All right. 1790.50. Oh. Has he?
हम
Oh. 1790.50.
क्रोडाइल की तरफ भी जाते हैं हम.
How many pairs does he trade? Crude oil?
जब आप पैदा हुए ये क्या हो गया, फिर कोई रोला बन गया.
Are you Wali Baba's mentor? No, I'm not his mentor. It's just someone told us about that, so we're just kind of like, you know, watching Raja Baba. So yeah, we'll see. This 15-minute candle is going to close. 1790.50. 1790.50. Let's take a look at the 5-minute over here. 1790.20. 1719.20 would make sense, right? 1719.20. Price to continue bullish to 1792. I felt this is a way to screw up a trading account, so many pairs. Yes, 100%. I agree with that. Yeah, I think having the stops below the current 15-minute candle would make sense, kind of. Like a 15 pip stop over here. And they're expecting the NY volume to continue driving price up to 1792. Let's see. How long did it take you to trade 50,000 to 500,000? Probably around, I think, 3 months, 4 months. 3 months, I think. Pound yen is still ranging here.
अगर आपकी बाय बहुत हाई के ऊपर आपने बाय फंसा दी है यार, 1806 के ऊपर, बहुत हाई के ऊपर बचाई है.
All right, let's see. Yeah, we need to break above
और नवीद
1790.50.
हसनैन, मेहरबानी करो आप, ये डेमो है, सारे डेमो है. रिमूव करो अपनी टेंशन को, बात खत्म करो. आप क्यों लोगों के साथ बहस कर रहे हो? आप तो मुझे साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम लग रही है आपकी.
Bro, he said, oh, yo, bro, listen, this is all demo. This is demo, okay? He agreed. This is all demo. Why are you arguing with people? You have a psychological issue or something? Look, he's angry.
बोलो आप क्या चाहते हो?
He's like, what do you want? Tell me. What do you want? What do you want? This is all demo.
What you want? मजीद अब क्या बोलोगे आप? खत्म हो गई बात. यार ऐसे तो पड़ जाती एक बस ही मुफ्त की बहस. ये है फलां, ये छोड़ो इसको. लर्निंग की तरफ तवज्जो दो. अगर लर्निंग कर सीखना है.
Oh man, I can't take this anymore. Oh, it's so wild. What do you want? The guy got straight angry at the guy. Oh, holy shit. Gotta meet him in person, man. This is incredible.
खत्म हो गई बात. अभी से आगे आप क्या बोलेंगे आप? झगड़ा खत्म किया करें आप. अगले का ऐसा जवाब दें कि अगला बस.
He's like, stop the fighting. Give such an answer that next person just stays quiet. Wow, this is insane. By the way, I took a buy on gold. I took a buy on gold. It's right here. Took a buy. Stop is below the previous 15-minute candle. And this is just on the fact that we should stay above 1789.70 if we're going to continue bullish. But if we close below 1789.17, then I'm just gonna close the entire position. Dangerous buys, yes. That was hilarious.
अब उसका क्या मतलब था कि ये बहस करेगा आगे से? मैं कोई नफसियाती मरीज हूँ बहस शुरू कर?
He's like, do I have a psychological problem? They'll start arguing with you. Oh man. Yeah, pound yen is still consolidating. Someone. All right, let's see over here. Bring him as a guest on the stream. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'll try to talk to him, and then if, if things work out well, we're gonna bring him up as a guest. Did you close gold? No. How are you going to trade GBP news, buy, sell, stop? We'll see. We shall see what happens. We shall see. They're looking at good numbers over here. Good numbers means gold should continue pushing bullish. No, pushing bearish, so we'll see. Do you think buying above 1790 is good? Yes, 1719.50 is a really, really good buy on gold. Apne trade may have you stopped trading in the London session? Yes. USD/JPY is also reversing over here. Oh, yeah, nothing happened on gold. Just managed my risk. That's it. Alibaba. Let's see what's going on here. Alibaba has a buy limit over here. I'm really interested to see what happens. Alibaba.
तो चलें जी, अभी देखते हैं इसको, भी ये ट्रेड उठता है तो चलते हैं हम.
He's like, okay, we'll see. The traders are going to activate it, and then we're going to go. All right. This is very, very interesting.
अब उस दिन एक बंदा आ गया, ओ सर जी आप नुकसान में ही जा रहे हो, आपने आज तक कुछ नहीं कमाया.
He's like, the other day someone came and he said, bro, you're always losing. You're never winning. What's going on? Yeah. Wow, straight rejection. Just managed my trade. How you watch the spread and where to watch? Spread press F10, and then you're gonna see the information there. So I think what he's doing is he's taking a buy at this blue EMA. What is this? Is this an EMA? Seems like some sort of a moving average with a 5 width over here. All right, he has a stop.
लॉस तो ये बन रहा है इसका.
Stop loss is right here. Okay. All right.
कितना बन गया?
Almost 11 pips.
6 का.
6.
और
Oh, $6 stop loss.
ये इसका टीपी बन गया.
That's the TP right there.
क्योंकि ये लो हमारे पास है तो इस लो से नीचे रखना है हमने.
Okay. What has happened to his trades before? TP or stop loss? No idea. No clue. Is based on the high or the low periods. Okay, what's this? Don't troll him too much, otherwise he will. Alright. See here. Yeah, 1790 50 would be much better here. Can you see my analysis, please? I have a question. Mr. Benjamin Baka. Let's take a look over here. Mr. Benjamin Baka. All right. Man, this is a pretty entertaining stream. I wish you guys could understand that language. It's hilarious. It's so funny. Does this candle work as a support? Should I ignore it? Yes, it does work as a support. Support. You got a little bit of rejection. Oh, we got NY open now. NY open coming with no volume here so far. We have gold, 30-minute candle closing, very bearish. Very tricky for buys over here. All right, we got NY open volume coming in. So look, pound yen has been consolidating since yesterday. Yesterday, no volume, no volume, no volume. Asian session had a little bit of volume. London session had a little bit of volume. Didn't really break any ranges. We didn't break ranges in the Asian session. Didn't break any range in the pre-London, London Open. Now we're moving into NY Open. And if we do break below 151, 150, I think in the NY Open we should break this range to continue down on pound yen. Wali Baba is going to hit stop loss. Oh, he did. Doesn't look happy here.
कट कर दिया क्योंकि ब्रेकआउट हो गया था.
Oh, he cut the trade because it broke out. Getting very difficult here. Pound yen, pound yen, pound yen. 151, 150. Do you know this guy? He is also from Pakistan. He's trading channel running 2 years now. Why don't you bring him here for interaction? I have no idea who that is. GU is also trying to come down here. We're at a support on GU. 30-minute support. Yeah, we'll need for price to break below this area for it to continue bearish. GU and pound yen have almost the same sort of like ranges here. It's like a 15, 16 pip range. You got pound yen coming close to 151, 150. Gold is also trying to push down. We'll see. August has been shit. I agree with that. How do you differentiate between retracement versus reversal of a trend? A retracement is a pullback to continue the trend. A reversal of a trend is when you have higher time frame resistances created. How much was your hair transplant? Around I'd say 4,000, 7,000 Canadian dollars. That's including the business class seats. Alright, let's see over here. Oh, his trades are still here. Oh, those are in his
1806 यार
other
अभी
account.
चलते हैं. आपका गोल्ड 1806 किधर है? ये आ गया.
Wow, he's got so
अल्लाह
many
के
pairs
बंदे इतनी
open.
हाई के ऊपर आप बाय फंसा बैठे हो यार. ये तो
Oh, wow, some guy has a buy from 1806. Damn. 1806. You have to daily join him live, please. It's so enjoyable. Yeah. I bought my magic keys and it's working, but yeah, I don't know what's going on. Did you cast NYSE yesterday? No. No NYSE yesterday. Was really looking forward to catch some pound yen trades over here, but it didn't really formulate at all. I think it would have been amazing to catch some pound yen trades, but nothing happened here. I can only trade Thursdays and Fridays. Any advice regarding only trading 2 days a week? I think it's okay. Trading 2 days a week. Thursdays have some volume. Fridays also sometimes have volume. So also look at some other times when you can look at the markets. I think that's going to be the only way. Or even look at let's say high time frames, like 4 hour daily, and that's the only thing I can say. If you have 2 days to trade, I think you really have to look at what sessions are available at that time too. Yeah, nothing's happening at this point. Are we looking for sell below 151, 100? I am looking for sell below 151, 130, 140 if we come below that area. Let's see what's happening here.
वो चल रही हैं इसमें.
Oh, what the hell? He's up 230 pips on USD CAD.
पौंड बेरिश लग रहा है यार. कुछ भी लग रहा हो, कुछ भी लग रहा हो, हमारा बुलिश का सेटअप है. बात खत्म.
Someone said pound USD looks bearish, and he's like, Whatever it looks like, our setup is buys. End of story. Okay. Okay then. I mean, we're breaking below the low. It just needs to break below this area, pound USD, to continue moving bearish. I think that's going to be the same move that's going to happen on gold here as well if we break below 1786. Do you know any other traders in Pakistan? Yes. We have around 60 people showing up to the conference we're holding on the 4th September. So there's going to be a lot of traders there. We'll see. Yeah, nothing's happening so far. Absolutely nothing. What a boring session here today. All right.
अकाउंट बनाए वो आपको 140 दे देंगे जो तरीकाकार आपको बताएंगे उसको आपने फॉलो करना है उसके ऊपर आपने चलना है बस पहले उनसे पहले अकाउंट बना लेना इससे फिर उनको बताएं ये अकाउंट बन गया अब आगे क्या करना है बाकी वो हेल्पलाइन वाले आपको सारा समझाएंगे उधर उनके
He's like, make an account on FBS and you're going to get $140. Yeah, I don't think that's a good way to market a broker. You know? I don't think so. That's a good way to market a broker. You know, like, join us, you're going to get $140. There are different ways, right? Like, you'll have to trade a certain amount of lot sizes to get that amount. And, yeah, I don't know, man. It's pretty fishy. 140 in credit, yes. The amount of misinformation in Pakistan FX community is why I want to start my FX channel. That's true. There's a lot of misinformation. You can only place one trade at a time. Oh, damn! Really, one trade at a time? Yeah, that's some BS over there. 0.01 lot. We didn't earn money out of this session, but good things is that also we didn't lose any. That's true, except for me. But we had some good laughs over here too. You have to daily join. To get the $140, you will have to trade a lot size of 5, and per market, nothing more than 0.05. Oh, okay. So you'll have to trade 0.05 lots, and that has to amount up to 5 lots. Oh, interesting. Wow.
के बंदे इसी काम के लिए बैठे हुए हैं
Special. Let's go forward.
यानी 500 को आप 500 को तकसीम कर दो
500
40 दिन पे
multiplied by 40 is 10,000. 20,000, sorry. Oh,
500
divide. Yeah.
500 तकसीम 40
Taqseem means multiply.
तकरीबन 12 एंट्रीज बनती हैं आपकी
Oh, 12.
रोज की
12 entries every day. Damn, that's a lot of entries every day. I got $140 broker from FBS because I completely my challenge on FBS in 17 days, 25 trades, lost in 1 day average. Oh, GU broke the low. Oh, it has to do it again because it broke the low in the first 10 minutes. We'll see. I bought Magic Keys and it's doing everything else, but what I want, I can't take partial or close full or drag stops, but I can zoom in and open calc. There's a frown on my MetaTrader. Can you please help? Yes. So you go to magickeys.com, magickeys.trade. Sorry. Why aren't you waiting on news for GU? I'm not trading GU. I think waiting for news is going to be much better. And then you go to community forum. Once you go to community forum, right here, you can get all the help you need. All the help. You know. Anyone can help to install my MacBook Pro? Oh, donate 10 USD to the guy on live. Let's see his reaction. Oh, okay. Let's do that. Oh, we can't donate.
बाद ना एक बात बता दूं, आपको ये ट्रेडर बना देंगे 40 दिन के बाद ना, जरा चल के देना, प्राइवेट बेशक ना हो, लेकिन आपको ट्रेडिंग का
Yeah, let me just donate money over here. See his reaction. All right. So yeah, while we're waiting for everything over here, news is going to come in about 20 minutes. I'm turning on my VPN over here to donate money. Let's see. Let's see. Wali Baba FX on my phone. Wali Baba FX. All right. How do you... Oh, I can't donate from Pakistan. Interesting. Yeah, can't donate. Oh, there we go. Pound yen has broken below the lows. Should be. If this was pound yen, I would have been in a sell at this point for price to continue down, because we have clean ranges here to the left hand side. We've broken below this wick over here. We've broken below this wick over here, this wick over here, this wick over here. So high probability for it to continue moving down. I think gold is also moving down at this point here as well. Yeah. But pound yen, no, pound USD, perfect scenario to continue bearish. Pound yen is just garbage here today, just consolidating. Raid his stream. I don't know how to raid streams. Yeah, let's see here what's going on.
तरीका सिखा देंगे, fundamental.
Yeah, man, the spreads are pretty high here. Look at this. Euro USD spread is high. I mean, at least your USD spread should be lower.
कीमत क्या चल रही है इस वक्त क्रूड ऑयल की?
All right. How long will it take for Magic Keys to arrive in the UK? Probably around, I say like 5 days, 6 days. DHL is pretty quick with that. Let's see here. You're looking at pound dollar? Yes, but I'm not trading pound dollar. Probably going to wait for unemployment news here in about 15 minutes, and then we'll see if we can do something on that or not. Other than that, I'm just going to call it a day after the news. Gotta go look at some furniture. Go to his stream and spam Raja name. Nah, I think it's okay. Is mocking you at his live. He's useless. Oh, damn. Sir, have never given this much attention to your Zoom, guys. Oh. My broker is Forex.com and I use TradingView. Can I use Magic Keys? Yes. How long would it take for Magic Keys to arrive in Nigeria? Probably around a week, week and a half. How to send chart? Well, sending chart, that's a very good question over there. What's the name of one of your guys, Coben or something? He is always analyzing gold and would like to find his channel. Oh, Kervin. How'd you get Coben from Kervin? Coben. Kervin. I think he's he comes on here once in a while. Coben and Rojo. Alright, let's take a look at this chart over here. Oh, chat is moving way too fast. Alright, pound yen is coming down here once more. Can we break below 151, 140 to continue down? Can we do that? Let's take a look at this chart here by MA. MA sent a chart. Oh, nice. Sell on GP CAD over here. Currently up 15 pips, risk 10 pips, reward 25 pips. Beautiful. There was a time I used to trade pound CAD a lot. It was like a daily thing. I was trading pound CAD. It gives out so many pips, man. Pound CAD. All right, let's take a look at the Chinese indicator. See what's going on. Pound is weak. Okay, makes sense. Just gotta break below this area here. Let's take a look at these gold sells. Possible fake out for sells. Yeah, but there's a lot of consolidation here. You know, I'd rather be more comfortable taking sells below 1784. Right over here, 1784, 1783. Would be much comfortable taking sells at that point. All right. Pound JPY. 4-hour candle is about to close in 43 minutes. We got the 30-minute candles coming down. 151, 130 should be a pretty good area for price to continue bearish here. $151, 130, 140. All right, let's take a look over here. He's looking for gold to continue moving
गोल्ड का
bullish.
ये है सेटअप आपके सामने ही है.
This is the gold setup in front of you guys now.
ये सेटअप है गोल्ड के.
This is the setup on gold.
बाकी जो भी होगा वो.
Rest, whatever happens, happens. I like his shirt. Nice pink polo shirt. All right, pound yen coming down, 151, 130. Possible sell stops over here for price to continue bearish. $151, 130. Come on down. Come on, baby girl, push down. What is about gold, Rajaji? Gold is whatever. You know, we have news coming in about 12 minutes, so I think it's better to wait for the news. You got to give him respect. Trading on MT4, MT5 without trading view takes some skills and balls. Yeah, the thing with MT5, I can do the same thing here, but it's just like the freedom of movement, you know. MT5 is just a execution platform. It was never built to kind of like, you know, oh, can't see this chart, sorry, Abdul Jabbar. MT5 was never built as a free viewing platform. All right, we're coming down over here on pound yen. Come on, baby girl, push down. Push down, 151, 130, and then we can go bearish. Take a look at Alibaba. Alibaba is not talking over here. He made 500k, not one. Oh. All right. We counter trend trading Alibaba. No, we have to break below 151, 130. I'm anticipating a sell stop at 151, 120.
जी हमदारी अगर मैं इसको जानता भी हूं तो क्या होगा, जो ना जानता हूं तो क्या होगा. उसने कमाया है तो अपने लिए कमाया, नहीं कमाया तो हमें क्या मिलेगा. तो यार उसे जानना या ना जानना उससे हमने क्या लेना देना.
He's like, if I know him, whatever. If I don't know him, whatever. You know, nice answer.
ना जानता हूं तो क्या हो जाएगा. अगर उसने $1 से इतने कमा लिए तो अपने लिए कमाए हैं, कौन सा वो मुझे दे देगा.
Yeah, exactly.
अब आप पूछेंगे उसकी स्ट्रेटजी क्या है.
Yeah.
ये उसे ही पता होगा, उसे पूछने जाके.
Yeah.
वो यहाँ से कनाडा चला गया है, क्यों गया ये उसे पूछे जाके. हमसे क्या पूछते हो यार.
He's like, he went to Canada, what do I know? All right, gold is reversing over here. Gold is reversing. We got news coming in about 10 minutes. This is an interesting conversation over here.
करो करने वाला यार, ये क्या बात है.
Please don't get angry.
डाइवर्जेंस कोर्स जो है ना वो इंशाल्लाह इन फ्यूचर अभी मेरे पास कुछ टाइम निकला है तो हो सकता है इस यकम से स्टार्ट करें.
Oh, he's starting a
अभी
divergence
बैच रेडी
course.
करना है हमने तो यकम से स्टार्ट होगा तो उसमें फिर ये होगा कि अभी इंतज़ार करें आप.
All right.
तो मैं क्योंकि फिर ये होगा कि इस फर्स्ट से तो अभी 4 दिन हैं उसमें. हाँ
151, 130. Come on, come on.
डाइवर्जेंस ट्रेडिंग ठीक है.
Divergence
तो
trading.
अभी क्योंकि 2-3 महीने मेरे पास अभी मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था, फ्री नहीं था.
He didn't have
तो
time. He wasn't free.
वेबिनार वगैरह भी मैं करवा रहा था कुछ अलहदा ब्रोकर्स के, उनके वेबिनार वगैरह. तो वो 30 तक हमारा था एक कॉन्टैक्ट वो.
All right. Nothing happening over here. Then I would put it on the previous 15-minute candle, but wait for GJ setup for sells. Now it's just risky. That's true. Watch Vision Linkers on YouTube. Yes, I know Vision Linkers. They're from Dubai. Really looking at 151, 130 over here. I have a sell stop right over here as well. The pending sell stop. 151, 120. Oh, it's coming down. Uh-oh, things are about to get spicy over here. Things are about to get very, very, very spicy. Gold is also reversing. All right, interesting things happening over here now.
RSI रीडिंग एंड डाइवर्जेंस ट्रेडिंग उसकी तो बात ही ना करो. अभी वो गोल्ड में बड़ी ज़बरदस्त सेल करवाई है उसने हाई से. हाँ उसमें ये जो गोल्ड में था ना अभी आपका यहाँ से उसने बड़ा प्यारा सिग्नल दिया था सेल का.
Oh wow.
कम से कम भी उसने 100.
Oh, nothing happened. My heartbeat started racing when it came down. I was like, oh damn. News in 8 minutes. 8 minutes for the news. Probably. Let's see here. This is the area. It's a 30-minute time frame. If you do break below this area, 15 pip range, price to continue bearish. Seven minutes left. 7 minutes left. Oh, activated. Activated right here. Sell has been activated. Should become the new background music in your streams.
करें इतना तो आपको पता होना चाहिए यार कि इस चैनल के अबाउट क्या होता है कि मुतल्लिक मेरे मुतल्लिक ईमेल ये वो.
Pound yen, gold is just consolidating. Pound yen broke the low over here. Sell stop got activated. Really thinking about, was this a good idea, or was this not a good idea? It's the 8 pip stop. August has been not so good here lately. Do I really want to risk this amount here today? It is a good idea. No, I don't know. Let's see here. I'd close half and wait for 30. Let's just leave it open here, see if we do continue moving bearish. Because at the end of the day, I can just manage my risk here, right? 4 minutes left for the news. Gold is just tweaking over here. Pound USD is struggling to come down. See, if we're breaking below this area, if we're breaking below this low, right here, right? If we're breaking below this low, we're breaking below this low in the NY session where we haven't really broken out of this range in any session at all. You know, so I think I think this could be a very, very good opportunity for price to continue bearish. Yeah, I think so. Wow, this short is also getting tight. Pound USD should also continue down.
वो सारे जो है ना वो मैंने बनाए हुए हैं या वो मेरे साथ अटैच है, मुझे क्या पता यार, सब ठीक है, बहुत पता।
Where is he located? I want to find out. See if we can have some lunch or dinner. Oh, he's a blog over here. Okay, let's take a look at this blog. We got an Instagram account. Oh, we got a phone number over here. All right. Oh, what the hell is this? All right, pound yen. Just because you're making them gains at the gym. Oh, yes. I forgot to hope it should be a good trade. Yeah, we'll see. Up about like almost 2 pips over here. So we'll see. Okay. Got some links. Let's see if he's in my city. Oh, wow. Nice. One post. All right. Let's see something else. Got Facebook. No, let's check out the blog. Joined in 2011. Oh, old player over here. Subscribe and share channel trailer. Technical analysis since 2007. Oh, nice. Guy's an old school over here. Forex trading coach, Wali Baba. Amazing. We have so much information, up about 2 pips here in pound yen. What else do we want to see? Oh, account management. Okay. Online trading is a high risk, negative on your money. Please think good trader by manage your account. Blah, blah, blah. Nice, nice. All right, pound yen is still coming in over here. All right, trading strategies. Trading strategies. Wait for updates. Okay. After loss, before trade, after profit. You got loss or good profit, your emotion should always remain the same. Nice. We got charts. I think he needs a new he needs a new website or something. Alright. I actually need a new website too. Pending orders for news? I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Already in gold, already in pound sell over here. Looking at for price to continue down to like 151. If we can get to 151, pretty good, you know. But we'll see. Stops are based above the 15-minute time frame, so we'll see. Adil, ¿por qué dados que estafa? Adil, why given what is scam? Oh, I have no idea what these guys are talking about. Man, oh man, oh man. We have 1 minute left. Gold. Gold, 15-minute. G just stopped here and paused at one price for some time. Is that a red flag? No, I don't think it's a red flag. I think just let it run. Let's put a sell stop over here. Hey, Aziz KA, stop it. Putting like black lines over there. Got a sell stop. Ooh, up 4 pips on pound yen. Awesome. Okay. Oh. Got a buy stop right here. All right. Pound yen is moving and grooving at this point. The spread is also, wow, look at the spread over here. 3 pips. Spread is increasing. Look at the spread on gold. Damn. Oh. Gold is stuck. Nothing's happening. Oh, we're moving up. We're moving down. We're moving up. Oh, pound yen is moving. Look, pound yen is moving. Gold is moving. Gold buy stop was here. Oh, didn't activate. Pound yen is moving over here though. Coming downtown. Ooh, TP hit. Pound yen. TP hit on pound yen. Actually, you know what? It's tweaking. News time. Yeah. I don't know. Just gonna take it right over here. Awesome. TP hit on pound yen. Congratulations. Free money. Won the trade. But I think it should continue down to 159.50. Amazing. Where's Wali Baba? What's Wali Baba doing? Come on, Wali Baba. Ooh, gold went back up. Tweaking. Oh, look at this. Pound yen. Very nice. Very nice. Got 10 pips. That's all we need. Put stops at break even. Awesome. Call him. Call him. Hey, Wali Baba won the trade. Why did you take the sell before the candle closed below bearish support? I'm trying to understand. That was a impulse entry. That was an impulse entry that we took and got a little late here to close, but whatever, you know, got a win over here anyway. Oh, wow. Good thing gold didn't activate, or else it would have been in a drawdown at this point on gold. God damn. Very nice. Pound yen. Got a winning trade here. Very nice. Straight retracement here after 10 pips. Wow. YouTube.com. Wali Baba. Let's go to Wali Baba over here. I like him, man. I'm gonna meet him. I'm gonna try to meet him, and then we're gonna bring him on as a guest. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna head off over here. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow for the New York session. We'll see you guys. Who else do we got over here? Okay, awesome.
Thank you, Raja.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Chris.
Thank you.
Take care, everybody.
Thank you so much.
All right, bro. Take care, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Adios, amigos.
Adios.
Thank you, Raja.
Adios.
Logo.